Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share with you a Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul, part 1. Because I already know that I'm going back. They've got some really incredible deals, 50% off, 75% off. The 3 wick candles are still on sale. Not the new releases, as I've informed you in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that video right up here and down in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let me just show you what I got. So I went ahead and picked up a few of the new candles. I got Dream, Linen and Lavender. And it's really, I love the packaging on this. It's very serene. And it's white wax. And this it smells like fresh laundry and lavender. It's really nice. Let's see what the scent notes are. Okay, crisp linen, lavender sea salt, and fresh air breeze. And this is really, really lovely. Yeah, so I really, really want some of the new candles, but I'm like, I can't justify buying the new releases when these are $12.95. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to get these, and I'll wait for the new ones to go on sale. Like the Wildberry Jam Donut. Oh, I want that one. But anyway, let's get back to my haul. So, Sunshine and Daffodils. And I love the yellow flowers on that. It's so cute. Okay, the scent notes are sunny daffodils, bright citrus, luscious greens with essential oils, and it is a soft yellow wax. This is wonderful, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells like a sweet citrus with sunshine and florals. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this. I might burn this today. This is so pretty. Very bright, citrusy floral. Like a fruity floral, but the fruit is citrus. Very bright and beautiful. Next, I picked up Sugared Lemon Zest. Yeah, I love citrus, you guys. I do. And look at the packaging. It's so spring-like. And it's got this pretty spring green wax. Okay, so the scent notes are Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, lemon zest with oils. But you know what? I get lime too. I get lemon and lime, like a lime Skittle. You know what? This smells like cocoa lime from Scentsy. Oh, yeah, I love this. But there's like a hint of dish soap scent. It smells sort of like dish soap, too, which is kind of weird. But, yeah, I love citrus, so I should enjoy that. Moving on to, oh, no, I have one more candle. What did I get? Oh, Midnight Blue Citrus. I got a single wick. And I'm not sure if the scent notes, okay, it is. Juicy citrus, fresh spring water, sweet mango. Yeah, I like this, you guys. It's sort of like a fresh aquatic with like a bright citrus note. Yeah, that's really nice. Mango? You guys, if you follow me, you know I'm not a fan of orange, but I don't really smell mango with this. Thank God. Because I do not like mango, orange, clementine. I mean, I can take it in very, very small doses, but when it's the predominant note, ugh, no. So I like that. That's Midnight Blue Citrus. Next, I picked up some hand soaps. I got a classic oh wait, I thought this was Sea Island Cotton. Sea Island Shore. And the scent notes are clean cotton, white freesia, and musk. Why did I think this was Sea Island Cotton? Let me see if I can get this off. I love the color too. Very pretty blue. Ooh, yeah, that smells like fresh laundry. This is like a combination of Sea Island cotton and beach blanket to my nose. Yeah, because it smells like that fresh cotton, like cotton with fresh air, but it also smells like laundry. This is really nice. I like this. Sea Island Shore. Then I picked up Strawberry Pound Cake because I love this one and I love this packaging. They outdid themselves with that. It is so pretty. Fruit, flowers, metallic leaves. Oh, so girly, so cute. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And this one, you guys, I love it. The hand soap smells like strawberry pound cake. Now, to me, in the body care, strawberry pound cake smells like strawberry cheesecake. But for the hand soap, it actually smells like a strawberry pound cake. So, love that. Glad I picked that up. And then I picked up one of my favorites, Island Margarita. And I love that green color. So, the scent notes are fresh squeezed lime and sea salt. And I always love this in everything. Oh, it's just like a sugary sweet lime margarita. It smells so fruity and wonderful and bright and happy. Yay. So, yeah, I'm glad I picked that up. And then for body care, $4.95, I picked up Sensual Amber in the new packaging. You guys, I love Sensual Amber. I always have some of it on hand. I was sad when it retired. I know I can still get it online, but I'm happy to see it back in stores. This retails for $15.50. This is the packaging, like a beautiful amber colored flower with the black on the back. Very like sensual and grown up or something. But the scent notes are golden amber, wild berries, orange flower, lotus petals, and creamy sandalwood. Huh? This has orange flower in it? I don't remember the orange flower. You know what? This does smell. It smells like the original, but the orange is really there now. Why, Bath and Body Works? Why did you do this? Sensual Amber, but it's got this bright orange note, and I don't like orange. They may have ruined this. I'm going to have to compare the original to this because I don't know. The original may have orange in it. I'm actually going to look this up online. Bear with me because I'm really, really curious. Oh, okay, same thing. Golden amber, wild berries, orange flower, lotus petals, and creamy sandalwood. So it's the same exact scent description, but I mean, this does smell like Sensual Amber. Don't get me wrong. It's beautiful. It's like amber and like this powdery, perfumey, and sweet vanilla loveliness. I'm just picking up a little bit more of the orange with this new one. So, hope that helps. Okay, so Lemon Drop Martini has returned for semi-annual sale. They brought back the whole collection. So it was Rosé Champagne, Lemon Drop Martini, Watermelon Lemonade, and then there was a blue one. I took a picture of it. I'll insert a picture up here. I can't remember what it's called, but Lemon Drop Martini. So let's see. That smells like a lemon cleaner. I didn't really remember this one, but that smells like a lemon cleaning product. That's exactly what I'm getting from Lemon Drop Martini. I may be returning this one. Well, not returning, exchanging. Because, yeah, that smells like a lemon cleaner. Like a household lemon cleaner. I don't like that. Watermelon Lemonade. And yeah, I remember this one. Very, very heavy on the watermelon for the fragrance mist. Very heavy on the watermelon. And then you get that lemonade kind of hanging out there in the background. Yeah, I like this one. Watermelon lemonade. So that is my haul, you guys, part 1. Hopefully. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you picked up. If you've tried any of these. If you smell the original Sensual Amber, does it smell the same to you? Or are you picking up more of the orange note? Because I am. It's still nice though. I still like it. But thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.